Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix your microphone if your microphone doesn't work in Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro. Okay, don't waste our time, let's do it. If you use OBS or recorder from Windows, you can check it. And for me, I gonna check it in OBS. Here is the mix from microphone. If it works, it has signal like here, but I'm gonna show you if it doesn't work, the signal is different. Okay, first you need to go to Window here, and then you can click on setting, and then you can go to the privacy and scroll down to the microphone here, and you can see the turn on. If you allow to turn on, you can use microphone, but if you turn it off, the microphone will doesn't work. It on, all the application can use microphone here. Yes, even though Skype or voice recorder, anything like OBS too, it's gonna work again. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. I wish it a good tip for you as well. Thank you. Don't forget to consider for subscribe to motivate me. Thank you. Bye bye.